Hey, financial advisors, let's talk headshots. When was the last time you updated your headshot? Or worse, you don't even have a headshot on your LinkedIn profile. I know that mine is several years old, but I have a 2-year-old at home, so I would rather not go to a professional studio to get a new headshot taken. So I've been lured in by TikTok to try out AI headshots. And I want to walk you through my experience because I think that it could benefit you as well. So I created a little presentation to be able to review the results with you all. Today I'm going to review 2 AI headshot websites, Try It On and Studio Shot. First, I want to go through some do's and don'ts to get the best results. You do want to make sure that you have 10 to 20 recent chest up close-ups. And if you don't, and you're like me, maybe just head to the backyard and take a couple in a few different outfits because they want to make sure they show different backgrounds, clothes. It want to be just of your face, good quality, and slightly different facial expressions. You do not want to repeat backgrounds or outfits, photos with others, dark, filtered, blurry, or pixelated, photos that have your sunglasses on, hats, you're far away, all of those different things. I found that I surprisingly did not have as many selfies as I thought I would that would fit the bill. So I did go into my backyard and around the house and kind of took a couple extra. So the process of Try It On is quite simple. You select the preferred photo shoot, upload your selfies, and then customize your preferences. You can choose options like business outdoors or business studio to align with your desired look. However, not all the results were flattering. Here are my worst headshots. Some of them don't even look like me, and it's a bit scary to be honest. I found myself saying several times, whose teeth are those? On the other hand, here's my best headshots. I was pleasantly surprised by these. They actually turned out pretty well, and I could see myself using them. A few more glamorous options were available, and they did look like me, but I wouldn't be able to use them for a professional headshot. My overall experience with Try It On was good. For just $17, you get 100 AI images. Once you've submitted your photos and selected your preferred portrait styles, it's important to follow the guidelines closely to ensure that AI produces the best results. It's also worth noting that Try It On does not offer refunds, so attention to detail is crucial. But within 24 to 72 hours, you receive a success email with a collection of the 100 images, allowing you to choose a few great ones. Now let's explore the process of using Studio Shot. It's quite similar to Try It On. You start by selecting your selfies and then you choose your desired style. They offer options like executive, actor, LinkedIn, charcoal gray, and so much more. Unfortunately, my worst headshots were from Studio Shot, and they were absolutely terrifying. They definitely didn't meet my expectations, scoring a solid 0 out of 10, which was surprising because it's been listed as the more professional option on several different reviews I've seen. Even the best headshots from Studio Shot weren't that great. Once again, these don't really look like me, and I wouldn't personally use them. But for the price of $29.25, you get infinite touch-ups for one person. And trust me, if you choose this option, you're gonna need all the touch-ups you can get. Overall, I wasn't impressed with the results, but they did manage to make me laugh quite a bit. For comparison, here's my professional headshots. The one on the left was taken in a studio, and the one on the right was at a conference. Professional conferences can be a fantastic resource for financial advisors and their team, as you often get access to high-quality photography services, so be sure to take advantage of the opportunity if it presents itself. I also do want to mention that I was not paid to do either of these reviews or promoted in any way. I merely started seeing them a lot on TikTok and then started popping up on a lot of other periodicals and was honestly just wanting to try it out myself, see how it worked, and I thought advisors could also benefit for this review to see if it would be a good option for them or their team to try out, depending on their needs. I hope that you found that tutorial really helpful. And if you need additional help optimizing your social media pages or your website or overall strategy, please reach out to our team. Our strategists would love to talk to you about what's worked in the past, what isn't working now, and provide custom recommendations on how you can level up your marketing game. Reach out today, we would love to hear from you.